welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am finally getting around to film the BoxyCharm Boxyluxe unboxing. It took me a long time to finally get around to do this video, and here is the box. It's really big. And if you guys do not know about BoxyCharm by this time, you guys should totally go and subscribe to them. It is a monthly subscription, and every 3 months they send you a big box like this one every 3 months, and this retails for 50 bucks. And inside this box there is products that are worth more than $200 up to $300 sometimes. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so here is the box, you guys. I'm so excited. This is my first time ever getting the Boxyluxe. So the first thing that I see in this box is this little cute makeup bag. I read on one of the comments on Instagram about this bag that someone said it smelled, and it does smell good. But this is what the bag looks like, and this is going to be really good to put my brushes in here. Traveling soon, I am going out of the country. So this is actually perfect for my brushes now that I look at it, and that one retails for $20. I'm gonna have somewhere like right here of how much it is each product. So right, so the next thing in the box is this moisturizer. I already own this moisturizer actually, so I am not gonna open the moisturizer. It Cosmetics. This is the one that I use. I currently use this one as my moisturizer for day and night. I think it's a really good moisturizer. It's for all skin types. It's for oily, dry, combo, whatever. But I feel like this is more for oily to normal skin, because for dry skin, I always have to go in with an oil and mix it in, like this one. And mix it in and then put it on my face. That's why I look really oily, because I love looking oily. Like, as weird as that sounds, I like to look oily. Like, I hate. So the next thing in the box is this face mask. I tried this mask yesterday just for the sake of this video, so I didn't have to wash my face today or save time. So I'm gonna insert the clips right here. This is the mask that came in the BoxyCharm, like a really rose gold. Literally, that's exactly what it is. It's a rose gold mask. And this is this one right here. So I'm gonna check in with you guys when I am peeling it off, which I don't know how the heck I'm gonna do it, because it's really like a thin layer that I don't know if I can grasp it from any edge. But it says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Alright, so here I am taking it off. Really excited that this mask is very easy to peel. So here is a little update on my face from the last clip that you just saw me peeling it off. I already took a shower and all of that good stuff, and to be honest with you, it is really early to honestly judge this mask, but first impressions, I think it's really good. All right, so now that you saw that part, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my foundation. I'm gonna do this off camera just so I can save some time, so I'll be right back. All right, so now that I look pale as hell and look like a ghost, set it, I'm gonna go in with my trusty handy dandy Skin Finish from MAC. But for my brush, what I'm gonna use to set it, these brushes came in the box, and this retails for $29. This is the Glow Kit, and this is from the brand Moda. This is what they look like. This is really soft. This is really dense actually. Wow, I was not expecting that. Let me just use the brush that came in the set. So let's set my face here. So the next thing in this box is this eyebrow cushion. This retails for $40. It's literally a mirror. Like, you can do your makeup right here. Wow, that is so beautiful. Look how cute the spoolie is and the little brush right here. That's what it looks like. Usually I would not show this part, but because this product is in the box this month, I am just going to speed through this. So ready? 1, 2, 3. So the eyebrow product that I just used, I feel like it's good, but like I get the concept that they tried doing, but I also feel like it moves around. So I feel like unless you don't set it, it's gonna move around. So it's better if you just set it. Alright, so the next thing in the box is this Morphe palette, and this retails for $16. It retails for $16, so let's just go ahead and open it. This is what she looks like. Ooh, this is pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyes really quick. Again, I am going to, I guess, just fast forward this part. I like that the names are right here and it's not like on the paper that comes with it. So good job, Morphe, on that. I just don't like that the big palettes don't come like that. The little ones do. So I'm gonna go ahead and take selfie. I don't know what exactly I am doing, so I'm just gonna wing the palette. Okay, so next I'm gonna take you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do one eye off of camera, and when I am ready to pop on the lashes, because the box did come with lashes, I will be right back. So alright guys, so I already did one eye off of camera, so I'm just gonna go ahead and continue this eye. I left off in the part where I used selfie. I used selfie to do my transition, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take gold. I want to take that shade right there. Use this as to kind of darken up the eye a little bit. Let's bring in golds. I'm just going windshield wiper motions. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here, which is Shook, and then after I am done applying that, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here, which that one is called Additional. Again, I'm going to go ahead and take Shook, which is the shade on top that I just showed you. Just kind of blend this in a little bit. I'm just going to cut my crease, and by doing that, I'm going to look down and I'm going to take a brush that looks like this. It's like a really pointer flat brush, like a flat brush. And I'm gonna look down and just cut this. Now I'm going to use this shade and this shade together, these two shades, as my topper. I feel like for shades like this, your finger definitely works better. So just dab. Once I get this to my preference, which I think I already did. Right, so now I'm just gonna do eyeliner and I'll be right back. Okay, so now for the lashes, these bad boys came in the box. These are the Lily lashes, really nice. These retail for $24.99. So like I said, I'm gonna be putting like the total of what it is every single time I mention a product, and then I'll tell you what the total is at the end of the video. Lashes look very dramatic and I'm very scared. I'm scared because I don't like dramatic lashes, guys. I already primed my lashes by putting mascara. Oh my gosh, this thing was on there tight. These have a really thick band now that I am noticing them. Really thick as band. So I don't know how I feel about these lashes. They're so big. I am not about this life. Like, hello caterpillars. So while this is drying, I wanted to mention this that was in the box as well. This is a nail polish remover. So this retails for $10, the dual set. Alright, so I'm gonna finish off the eyes. I already have my lashes on, as you can tell. Personally, I'm not gonna lie, these eyelashes are way too big for me. I am not about this life. Personally, like lashes that are a little bit less dramatic, just because I feel like these are literally, they're way too big for me. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm just gonna go and roll with the punches. Alright guys, so for my contour and my highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Cover FX palette that came in the box. It retails for $45 and it looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and take that shade for my bronzer and my contouring and all of that jazz. And again, I am going in with my handy dandy brush. I'm not gonna use blush, guys, because I'm not gonna lie, I do not wear blush ever. So sorry if the lighting is changing. The sun is coming out, the sun is going down. I swear I was not trying to do a full coverage look, and here I am doing a damn full coverage. This contour is not, it's not as pigmented as it shows to be. I don't know, I feel like this contour kind of has like a pink tone to it, so I don't know how I feel about that. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the highlight. I'm going to use this one right here, and this is more of a, I think, like a golder undertone, because the other one is, it's more pink. I'll take this one up here just because this one's more gold and this one is more pink, and I live for gold undertone highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the brush that came in the set and the box, and like I said, it's a very dense as a brush, I'll tell you that much. It's very dense. Can't highlight with this. Like, I feel like it's not picking anything up. I'm sorry, but I can't. I cannot use that. I'm just gonna use my regular brush, because that brush is not, it's not good. To be honest with you, this palette is like, it's really settled, so really as bright and pigmented as what it shows to be, but I'm not hating it. I'm not living for it, but I'm not hating it, so it's like a win-win situation. Sometimes I don't want to wear brightening highlighters. So the last thing on this box, guys, the last thing on this box is this Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, and this retails for $24. And this is the color. So cute. I like the shade. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.